Bitch, it ain't even my birthday, but I can ball if I want to. Pull up on cars if I want to. How about that bitch with that on in my jumpsuit? Go. Just do what I say and I love you, okay? I get this shit from my uncle. I told Bay get 22 inches of weed tonight. I wanna fuck a Rapunzel. Ain't fucking the right, you ain't pulling my hair.
Did you get it already?
It's gonna be yeah. So we're gonna be RV living soon. How do we make the 30-footer a 40-footer?
Which one is it?
That one up there.
Oh, for really? Really? As we drove by, I was like, I hope it's not this one.
Whew, look at the size of these seats.
Yeah, this is tight, eh? But, you know, Owen could be mucking edits right here. How much is it going for? One something. This looks like one of the ones I seen online for like minimal, like 80. All right, well it's getting bigger. It's getting bigger, boys and girls. Are you sure this is pulled out all the way?
Yep.
Because that's not right. Fuck, that's a shitty mattress. This mattress is getting switched out. For sure. What is this? Is this a king?
No. Pretty square looking mattress. Nice.
Yeah. Honestly, it's smaller than I wanted. I think we're getting ripped, but nevertheless, the show must go on, boys. But yeah, I think we're getting ripped. The thing 105 grand, we definitely should have more than 30 feet. Definitely should have a washer dryer. Definitely could use a dishwasher.
Does it need new front tires?
It does! You guys are hooking me up with 50,000 miles on this tire.
Are you putting new tires on this thing, Will?
He might.
Yeah, he's never. This thing looks like it'll last to Quebec. So you're looking for another victim. Dude, you guys got big numbers on there, and this ain't even worth it. Not sure if I'm gonna take the out. I might.
You're scaring me now. What is it?
Huh? What do you mean?
This guy, bro.
Oh.
Is there like a thing on top of that lens? Is that why there's bubbles?
I can't. I think it's scratches. I don't know. I've been trying to wipe them off all day, but I couldn't see them on the lens.
What do you mean? I'm supposed to deposit something?
Yeah.
I thought you said zero deposit.
Said that from the beginning, bro.
You guys take crypto?
And check out this sneak peek of the new drop we have coming up here. This is the BTN drip. We got my boy Owen here with the BTN tape deck. Look at that. Videotape me swearing and everything. Yep. Oh, that's it.
You got no. Don't worry. They dolphin noise it out.
Deposit's been made, guys.
I wonder what the fuck a rental would be, because we are paying a lot on interest already. Good. Do you have any information to offer a guy who just signed his life away for a finance that may be able to rent a RV instead? Okay, I guess I get the information before I pull the plug. Let's find it. You see this? Now that's a Rambler.
Don't go in it though.
Nope. Can I take a peek to the left?
No. Oh God.
Oh, it's beautiful. I love it. Thank you so much. All the way through July and August, $375.
375 what?
I'm assuming dollars.
$375 for 2 months?
That's per day.
That's per day. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, David. Come on, it's not.
God damn it. All right, you can take this back. Thank you so much, my dear. Have a great day. Forget about that. At least I feel better now. Let's go.
Go to the front. I need you to sign one more thing.
I'll come sign away my life. Let's go.
You think 2 months is $300, bro? What the f? Yo, what? Everybody would be living in RVs if that was cheap, bro. Alright, sweet. Here's your receipt.
Dude, we don't get automatic stepper stool in this one. Guys yell at me in there. All right, guys, looks like we got an RV. I think. I think.
Hey, I need some more Russians. Yeah, 5 pack. I got.
Okay, wait, I gotta see the wind. Okay. Yeah, block those nuts. What the f? It's dropping so much. You're supposed to run.
Oh, it should have hit me at least.
It's been a while. Am I even hitting them?
You're teaching them how to duck.
We need more balls.
Give me all your numbers so I can phone you.
Getting out of the oven. Oh. That's actually so hot, man. I can't imagine in there. Bro, that pizza looks good. Little cheesy stretches, you know?
This guy brought a chair. That is genius. The smartest person in the entire
This guy's smart as fuck. It ain't easy being cheesy.
Woo! Oh, hot, eh? guy's a cheese pizza fanatic. I can't deal with it.
Can I get a dip?
I was like making sure everyone got in. Like my phone kept dying. Everyone took off and we got I went right down the floor.
All over the place.
Yes, sir. Check out this dog. Are you running no socks right now?
No, I got the good socks on.
Right. Crazy guy. Yeah, Tim was driving the Accord and it overheated, so we had to turn around, bring the Accord home, and then go grab Sierra Civic, and then we took the Civic up. And then there was a lot of traffic on the way here. We got stuck a couple times. Other than that, we're only like an hour and a half late.
That you came with, that's just how I feel. Nah, $8 might just make that lane switch. That's just how I feel. Nah, $8 might turn to $1 million, then we all rich. That's just how I
Yo, I'm buying this piano.
There it is.
Yo, she's trying to square up. Look at this. She's ready to fight.
Yeah. Turn right. Good?